In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a post on LinkedIn. So here we are on the home page of LinkedIn, and right at the top here you see start a post. You click on that, and if you click on these three dots here, you will see the different types of posts you can do. But firstly, I want to point something out to you. So the default setting is that it posts to anyone. So that means any one of the 1 billion plus members on LinkedIn. Now, if you want to build a relationship with your network, you want to be posting so that your connections can see it. And if they are between the 1 billion members on LinkedIn, there's a chance they may not see it. So what you do is you click up here and you will see you have the option to change it. So you can change it to connections only, click done, and then you can create your post. Here, this is to add media, so you can add an image or a video. This is to celebrate an occasion, for example, give kudos, provide project launch, welcome to the team, and so forth. This is to share that you're hiring if you're looking to hire someone. This is how you create a poll on LinkedIn. This is to add a document, a PDF document, which then displays as a carousel on LinkedIn, which means people scroll from page to page by swiping left or right on their mobiles, or on a desktop they just click on an arrow and it scrolls through the pages. And then this is here is if you're looking to find an expert. Once you've created your post, you can also schedule it. Down here you see this clock symbol. If you click on that, you will see you can select what date up to 3 days only, and you can select what time you want it to be scheduled for, and then you click on next, complete your post. You see there it says it's scheduling it for today at 11 a.m. and you schedule it, and that is your post done. Now if you have already scheduled posts and you want to see what you've scheduled, to either delete it or just to refresh yourself, click on start a post, click on the clock icon, and here you see view all scheduled posts. Clicking on that will show you everything that you have got scheduled, what day and what time. Now you can't edit what you have scheduled, but what you can do is delete it and then recreate the post if for some reason you had an error in the first one. I hope you found this video useful. Please check out the other videos in this playlist on other functionality on LinkedIn.